make it a little easier to see this way. We're going to walk up the driveway. We'd walk up here. This is the driveway, and then we're going to walk up this way. And the lot goes to the corner. There's an entrance underneath the house just for storage. And then there's also a storage shed in the back. You can see right there. I'm just going to walk a little bit around here. And walk up the stairway. Here's the storage shed off to the right. And I'm just going to show you the deck real quick before we walk around. It's all covered. Very nice for the winter. There's an entry, two French doors. Walk back over here. You walk in. You see the washer and dryers. You enter another closet right there. And then there is another closet right here, just for little storage stuff here. House. Kitchen is to your left. I'll show you the kitchen. French doors. There's a table for eating. Living area, lots of lighting and windows. And you walk down this hallway, I'm going to show you, and there's a bathroom right here. And a shower right here. And then a toilet there. And then you walk to this is a little living cabinet. And you walk here and you see this is the bedroom on your right with a closet right there. And then we'll walk here and there's the bedroom on your left and a closet right there. All of them have ceiling fans, and then we'll just look. So there's the fireplace right there. Just going to show you all the higher ceilings right there, and the loft we're coming to. And we're going to go up the stairway. Carpet in here, lots of windows you can see, and a big picture window right there. And then to your left, we're going to show this is one of the bedrooms, and there's two doors to this, and there's some closet space there, and then just the bedroom. So double doors, and then you can see the living room, and we're going to turn. There is this is like a storage room, but they have an extra bed in here. Typically, doesn't have a window, so it's not a legal bedroom. And then we're going to go into the stairways right here. This is the door to the bathroom. And there's a toilet right in the corner right there. A big soaking tub, and then a shower, and then lots of windows. And they do it in a way like there's lots of light and bright because there's windows to the side, and they have all the windows in this house are really well done. So those are casement windows you can open up during the summer. And I'm just going to show you a little more of the living room from this direction. Kind of see the windows, more casement windows there. Another fan right there. And this is a view from the loft. And that's it. Come take a look.